With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, if the dipole moment of toluene and nitrobenzene are 0.43 and 3.93 d respectively, then what is the expected dipole moment of para-nitrotoluene? And the options given below are these. So let us discuss this question, dipole moment. So the dipole moment is the product of charge and the distance between them. It is a vector quantity, means it depends upon both magnitude as well as a direction. Now consider any molecule AB. If this B is an electronegative atom, then it will have a del negative charge, and this A will have a del positive charge. So the direction is given from the positive charge to the negative charge like this in arrow. So this is dipole moment representation. Now in our question it is given the dipole moment of toluene is. So toluene, the structure is, we have a benzene ring and a methyl group at the top position. At the first position, we have nitrobenzene, and the structure of nitrobenzene is this and NO2. So in this molecule, we can see there is electronegative difference between this in this toluene. So this is toluene we are talking about at first. So in this toluene, we see there is electronegative difference, as this benzene is a electronegative atom. It's not an electronegative atom, but due to delocalization of electrons here, it will acquire negative charge. And this methyl is an electron donating group. It shows by positive inductive effect. So this will be del positive one. So the direction of dipole movement will be like this. Now considering in NO2, this NO2 group is an electron withdrawing group, and it shows minus I effect, that is negative inductive effect. That is why it will have a del negative charge. The electronegativity of NO2 we can say is greater than benzene ring. That is why it has a del negative charge, and this benzene ring will have a del positive charge. So now the direction will be like this. So this is nitrobenzene. And we have been given the dipole moment of the two, which is 0.43 d, and here it is given 3.93 d. And we have to calculate the dipole moment of para-nitrotoluene. So this is para-nitrotoluene. So this is the compound para-nitrotoluene. Now in this compound we can see this, suppose this is the carbon atom, this is the carbon atom present here. Now we can see that in this CH3 is a electron donating group by positive inductive effect. So the magnitude of dipole moment, so the direction of dipole moment will be like this, from the del positive to the del negative. Now this NO2 is an electron withdrawing group by negative inductive effect. So the direction of dipole moment will be this direction, from this del positive benzene ring to this del negative NO2 group. Now from this we can see that the direction of the dipole moment is along this side. Both the direction is this side. So the net dipole moment will be the addition of the two dipole moments if we consider this D1 and D2. So the net dipole moment will be D1 plus D2. So this net dipole moment will be of this para-nitrobenzene. So the dipole moment of para-nitrobenzene will be equal to 0.43 d plus 3.93 d, and the value of this is 4.36 d. Now let us check the options. Which of the options is correct here? So the option C is correct here. If this is A, this is B, this is C. So the option C is correct here with 4.36 d. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.